Here's a black beauty. 2010 Ford Mustang GT. Nice looking coupe in black. As you can see, riding on Foose wheels. Also has had a brake upgrade to Brembo brakes. Slotted rotors. The rotors were also cryogenic treated. This particular car, a lot has changed underneath the hood. Professionally done Apple Valley Ford here in our locale in Minnesota actually has done a lot of Ford racing and some tuning to this car. And we'll pop the hood, show you that in a little bit, and I'll kind of run down a checklist of what's been done on this. First of all, has been adult owned and driven, a little over 30,000 miles, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. It is black, so yes, you may have a couple little tiny touch-ups, if you can see that, a little bit of touch-up paint, but overall, car is in very, very nice shape. Now, let's start with underneath the hood. 4.6 liter, of course, V8, and that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Now, as far as some of the things that have been done to that 4.6 liter underneath the hood, it does have a supercharger on it now. It's supercharged by a Whipple supercharger. 3.0 pulley. Also, some internals have been changed on this one. It has comp cams, 47-pound injectors, Diablo tuner, Ford Racing throttle body, twin 62 millimeters, Ford Racing long tube headers and mufflers. Now, if you want to check out that engine bay, check out the still pictures. You look this thing over, look at the underside. We're going to go on through some stuff that was done on the underside of this also. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the pictures. And of course, feel free to call us to 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this one. Also has a black or ebony interior in this. Of course, leather buckets. And nicely equipped. You have your Ford stock components in here, like heated seats, your navigation, and there's your 5-speed transmission. Now up on the dash, you do see that pod there. That would have been an additional item that was added in when the tuning was done. That is a Ford gauge pod, and we'll take a look at it. I'll show you. It's kind of a data center is what it is. Now, as far as underneath this car, let's go over some of the suspension things quick here. It does have billet lower control arms on it. Ford Steeda suspension, panhard bar has been lowered an inch by Ford Racing package. It does have a Steeda triac shifter in it, aluminum high-strength drive shaft, HP clutch. And if you noticed up in the front, it does have a little different fascia on that, and you can check that out with still pictures. Take a good look at it. And like I said, still pictures all over the underside of this car. Probably a good 60 to 70 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Nice sounding car too. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run. And you can see up and down the sides of it, it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Very nice shape. Let's see a cheat sheet here and see if there's anything else I'm missing. By the way, those Foose wheels are 20-inch wheels, 10s in the back, 8.5 up fronts. Nitto tires on them. And again, all this was professionally done at Apple Valley Ford here in Minnesota. Car was a summer driven car only. It's not been out in any sort of inclement weather. Boost gauge in the vent there. That Whipple supercharger. Of course, all the amenities, power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, steering wheel controls, that navigation, heated seats. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Here at Run, we'll check out this Ford Performance pod. There you can see the Ford Racing, basically data pod. Navigation. $32,173. And you can see no warning lights on, anything like that. All it is the seatbelt light, since I don't have my seatbelt on. Dash, nice shape, not cracked, sun-baked, anything like that. You hear that exhaust, nice and throaty sounding car. Nice deep rumble to this one. Slip around to the back so you can hear a little better here. Alright, I'm going to slip up front and pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood and take a look underneath there. Alright, here we go. Cold air intake. Ford racing valve covers. The blue composite ones. Dresses these engines up nicely from the factory aluminum ones that kind of get oxidized and cruddy looking. Very nice, tidy engine bay. Whipple charger. Some billet aluminum caps and finishing pieces also underneath here. See how smooth it runs. Over 500 horse, I believe it was, in this car. I have the picture of the dyno sheet, so if you want to check out the still pictures, see that dyno sheet, it'll be in with the still pictures. And again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Can assist you with getting this beautiful Mustang where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Any questions,